Hello friends, welcome to Bunny's Bites. Today we will be making onion bread. This is a recipe you can eat for breakfast. It will fill you up in a few bites and tastes amazing. We've based this on a recipe from Home Cooking Adventure. First, add 1 tablespoon of oil to a saucepan and in it add 3 diced, medium-sized onions. Fry until the onions caramelize and reduce in size. This will take about 10 to 15 minutes. Do this on low to medium flame. I like the flavor of onion, so I've used 3. But if you'd like, you can use 2. Once they're finished, put them to one side to cool. Now in a small bowl, add 1 tablespoon of yeast, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and half a cup of warm water. Stir this all together and keep it aside. The sugar will help the yeast to multiply. Then get 250 grams of all-purpose flour in a bowl and in it add a pinch of salt. After that, pour in the yeast water from earlier. Mix this all together. Add in the caramelized onions and mix well. Keep mixing it till the onions are spread evenly throughout the mixture. Next, add in a handful of chopped spring onions and rosemary. The rosemary is optional. I have added it to enhance the flavor. I've also added another quarter cup of water to this because I need to get the desired consistency. Knead this until the dough is soft and smooth and pulls away from the side of the bowl. There shouldn't be any leftover flour at all. Now put this aside for 2 to 3 hours at room temperature. By then, the dough should have fermented and doubled in size. So now you can take it out of a bowl and put it on a surface that you have dusted with flour. Then spread it out evenly and roll it into a bread loaf shape. Transfer the dough into a bread tin lined with grease-proof paper. If you like, you can sprinkle spring onions on top of this. Cover this with a cloth and leave aside for half an hour. Again, it will have swelled and become bigger. Finally, you can put this in the oven and underneath that put a saucepan with boiled water in the oven underneath the bread tin. Leave this for half an hour at 250 degrees Fahrenheit. After 15 minutes, you should take out the saucepan of water. Your onion bread is now ready to eat.
Yummy!
Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel Bunny's Bites and feedback in the comments below.